Ding dong!
Hello guys, I'm from A-Star Finishing, and today let me bring you all to see one of our completed project located in Bukit Timah. Come, follow me. First walk in, you will see our L-shaped shoe cabinets. Shoe cabinet internal will be a movable shelving with 8 tracks, and the open shelf at the bottom is for a robot for cleaning. And here is a settee to wear your shoes, and it's also with soft closing. And here is a round curved as well as here. So even though your house have kids running around, so you also don't have to worry. Come, here is our wooden couch area, cushion backing, cushion settee, and a 2 storage space here. Same thing, it's also soft closing. And here is the dining area. Dining area, wow, look very nice, look like a bar table. And then when you have family gathering, you can pull out like this. You can see, I think should be more than 8 people. And if you don't need, you can just put it in like this. And the wheels can be locked too. And now, let's come to our aluminium kitchen area. This whole house is done by our wooden carpentry work and aluminium works. This is our aluminium islands with round curve also, cooking area, and a fully aluminium side panel, aluminium cabinets above the fridge, and a built-in oven. Below the built-in oven will be a pull-out tray with super soft closing too, and same thing, our bloom drawers. Bloom drawers can go up to 65 kg for the largest one. And something very special here. Normally our sink gonna fix somewhere here because of the piping. But then this is an L shape at the corner with bloom hinges, can go up to 165 degree, so it can save you more space. Cause if you put somewhere around here, you have not much space to do cutting or anything. But same thing, if you put here, then the space and look nicer. Come, follow me to the bedrooms. This is our wardrobe with curved corner, and all the shelving here is also curved. Also with super soft closing, and a cut-through corner here. Same thing, bloom hinge can go up to 165 degree. Cut-through corner save you more storage space. Come, follow me to the master room. And this is the master bedroom. Here is our wooden carpentry bed, platform bed, with a hidden storage here that can fit up, and a bigger storage space here, like this. And one hand you can close it. With soft closing also, super convenience. And comes to here is also an L-shaped wardrobe with a curving at the side. Same thing, all the shelving is curved with soft closing and our cut-through corners. Bloom hinges save you more storage space. And above the platform bed, you will see a display cabinets, an open shelf with LED lights, and all the drawers with soft closing.